I want to share with you my recent experience with Dr. Shan's amazing healing power. About a month ago, I had a terrible tooth problem. I would have a shooting pain whenever I drank any liquid, hot or cold, in this part of the tooth. And I tried all the home remedies that I do. I did neem oil, I did several other oil that my friends had told me. Those things used to work in the past, but this time nothing worked. So I decided to go to the dentist. I went to the dentist. So dentist took a bunch of x-rays and he could not find anything. Normally they would find like a broken tooth, a cavity or something else, but there was nothing evident. So the dentist said, let me try this minor procedure here. And maybe that will help. So he did that and he sent me home and said, try it. And if it doesn't work, come back. So I went home 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, and the pain continued. It didn't really, that procedure didn't really do anything. So then I remembered to call Dr. Sean. So I called him, and he was kind enough, and he gave me a short 5-minute Marma technique procedure. And he said, do it 3 times a day. And by tomorrow, you should be 60 to 70% lower in pain. So the next day, so I did that procedure, and the next day by dinner time, my pain was indeed less than almost 70%. And that was such a good news. And then I continued the procedure, and in a week, the whole pain was gone. And then I did the procedure for another week or so, and after that, I gave it up. It has been a month since, and nothing has come back. No pain has come back, and I'm perfectly okay. So thank you, Dr. Shan, for taking care of this very, very painful event for me. Thank you.